Hi, English. I just want to let you know that this week we are finishing up our book. If you have not finished reading Fahrenheit 451, that is your first duty. Please finish your reading of Fahrenheit 451. Then, under week 9, which is the week we are in this week, dates 3:15 through 3:21, your job is to complete the quick check number 2. You will then add to all of your reading packets. If you are a virtual student, you can simply click on that link. This first link is a reading guide packet. This second link is our Fahrenheit reading packet that has our figurative language chart. That's the opening. And then the last packet is your theme packet. There are videos on all of my links on Canvas to help you answer these questions. So any virtual students, this is what you need to fill out. If you cannot print them, I do have hard copies already printed at the school that you could come up and get. So our week this week is to literally just work on our packets, getting those completely filled out, taking your quick check too. And then next week, we will be starting our literary analysis essay, which is our final make for this unit. All packets are due April 4th. So this is our last time in class to use class time to fill these out. Then they become homework. And next week, we'll start our paper. And then we will have the movies uploaded so you could watch those during your spring break time. And then when we come back, we'll finish up our essays tournament and we're ending this unit. So I hope everyone enjoyed Fahrenheit 451, and your homework this week is to complete all of your reading packets and to do a quick check test. Thank you.